All right, today we are tackling a massive modern digital headache. I mean, if you work in tech, content creation, or honestly, just try to stay productive nowadays, you've definitely bumped into this. We're going to dive into how to stop juggling a dozen different AI tools and consolidate your entire workflow into one unified and, frankly, highly cost-effective space. So if you've been feeling totally overwhelmed by the sheer number of AI subscriptions hitting your credit card every single month, well, you are absolutely in the right place. We'll be looking at a platform called AiZolo, which is this all-in-one workspace designed to just streamline all that chaos. Let's kick things off with a pretty crucial question. Seriously, take a second right now, think about your last credit card statement. How much are you actually spending on AI subscriptions every month? Because, we all started with just one, right? Maybe a basic ChatGPT Plus account. But then Claude got incredibly good at coding. And then Gemini Pro integrated perfectly with certain workflows. So before you know it, you're subscribed to 3 or 4 different services just to make sure you have the best model for whatever specific task you're doing. It adds up incredibly fast, doesn't it? Okay, let's actually look at the hard numbers here. Paying separately for all these top-tier premium models is just wild right now. You've got ChatGPT sitting at $20 a month, Google Gemini Pro, that's another $20, Perplexity Sonar Pro for all your deep research, $20, Claude for that really nuanced writing, $20, and Grok clocks in at $30 a month. Historically, to actually take advantage of the unique strengths of each of these powerhouse models, you literally had to subscribe to every single one of them separately. And by the way, real quick, if you're a visual learner and you want a deeper dive into how these specific models stack up against each other right now, I highly recommend checking out a recent YouTube video titled ChatGPT Plus versus Claude Pro 2026 Honest Comparison. Try to find one from a credible tech channel like Fireship or Jeff Su rather than the official company PR channels. It's totally worth a watch and really puts these capabilities into perspective.
So when you add all of those individual subscriptions up, managing them isn't just a logistical nightmare, it's draining your wallet at roughly $110 every single month. That is over $100 just to ensure you have the right digital assistant for the job. And look, that's not even counting the hidden cost of friction, right? The constant tab switching, losing your train of thought, migrating data from one window to another. It's just a heavily fragmented, super expensive way to work.
And that exact pain point is exactly what brings us to AiZolo. It's been designed from the ground up to be this comprehensive next-generation AI workspace, and it's actually already trusted by over 5,000 AI enthusiasts. The fundamental pitch here is brilliantly simple. Just stop paying separately. Bring everything under one roof. It's essentially an all-in-one subscription that promises access to all those premium AI models we just talked about, but completely stripping away that stacked price tag.
So instead of that constant, frustrating tab switching, the whole interface operates as a single, dynamic dashboard. Imagine you're working on a super complex project. Rather than having 5 browser windows open, totally draining your computer's memory and your own mental bandwidth, you just have one clean, unified workspace. You can seamlessly transition from drafting a document with one model to brainstorming with another, all within the exact same project management environment.
The contrast is really stark when you lay it out. Historically, the whole fragmented way meant managing multiple accounts, copying, pasting, and dealing with sky-high costs. But this new approach, it's all about simple, affordable, unified access with native side-by-side comparisons. This honestly isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's about fundamentally upgrading how smoothly you interact with artificial intelligence on a daily basis.
Now, this next part is a real game changer for productivity: simultaneous comparison. You can actually chat with multiple top-tier models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini at the exact same time, using the exact same prompt. The interface just puts their responses right there, side by side. And because we all know AI models can hallucinate or interpret things entirely differently, comparing them instantly like this saves hours of manual checking. You can basically customize your own AI dream team on the fly and ensure you never miss the most accurate or creative answer by just letting them compete to give you the best result.
But wait, it's not just text. AiZolo also packs in a really powerful suite of creator tools grouped right into the platform. We're talking text-to-video generation in HD quality, which transforms your ideas into professional content in seconds. Then there's AI image generation, tapping into powerhouses like DALL-E and Midjourney style models for high-res, totally customized graphics. And it even includes an AI audio generator for natural voice synthesis, realistic voiceovers, and even music generation. It's literally an entire creative agency neatly packed into one single subscription.
And for all you power users out there, the Smart Prompt Manager is going to be a massive time saver. Come on, We all have those incredibly complex, perfectly engineered prompts that took 20 minutes to tweak, and then they just get lost in some random text document on our desktop, right? Well, with this feature, you can save, categorize, and instantly recall your absolute best prompts with just one click, no matter which AI model you happen to be querying at that moment. It basically builds a permanent, accessible library of your most effective workflows.
Let's dig into some more of those advanced capabilities. If you are a developer or just a really heavy user, AiZolo actually allows you to bring your own securely encrypted API keys. This means you can use their beautiful unified interface for unlimited token usage on your own dime if you prefer. On top of that, it features an AI memory that provides persistent context, meaning the system actually remembers your specific preferences and past conversations for highly personalized responses. Oh, and if you're worried about losing all your old history, don't sweat it. They offer seamless one-click chat importing directly from ChatGPT or Claude, so you can preserve absolutely everything you've ever worked on.
Okay, so let's get to the dramatic reveal here. When it comes to cost, accessing literally all of these premium models, the creator tools, and those power user features will only cost you $9.90 a month on their Pro plan. Under $10, and that gets you access to the latest premium models, 3 million tokens per month, and unlimited AI comparisons. I mean, it is a massive shift in the current pricing structure of the whole AI industry.
But hey, you definitely don't just have to take the raw numbers at face value here. Developers and creators are already validating how this unified platform is completely changing their daily workflows. Take Alex Johnson, an AI developer, who noted that getting access to all the top models for a fraction of the cost has, quote, revolutionized my workflow. And content creators and university students alike are echoing that exact same sentiment. Because when you remove the friction of tab switching and the underlying anxiety of paying for multiple subscriptions, your actual work output just naturally skyrockets.
So by dropping those fragmented individual subscriptions we looked at earlier, which, remember, totaled around $110 a month, and moving to AiZolo's roughly $10 a month Pro plan, the math is just undeniable. You are looking at over $1,092 in real, tangible savings every single year. That's over $1,000 back in your pocket while simultaneously upgrading the actual power and efficiency of the tools at your fingertips.
So, as we wrap up this explainer today, I'll leave you with this final thought to really consider about your own daily setup. Are you ready to stop juggling tabs, save over $1,000 a year, and finally build your perfect AI workspace? Look, the AI landscape is moving incredibly fast, and the tools we use to access it need to evolve just as quickly. Clinging to 5 different expensive subscriptions might very well be a thing of the past. So isn't it time to simplify your tech stack and truly upgrade your AI workflow? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I really hope this gave you a fresh perspective on optimizing your digital workspace. Catch you next time.